Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 2 of this house. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in the grid lines, so the vertical and horizontal. We also added the levels and also added exterior wall. So in today's video, we're gonna continue working on this. So for my plan is I will have the kitchen right here. Dining area will be here. So the kitchen will have an island. So it will be L shape with an island and dining area right here. And then here we'll have the family room or the living room. And we will have a powder room here. And let's add in a door right here. So this will be our main. Stairs will be right here. And let's add in a door here for the carport. So to start, let's click on architecture and click on the wall. And then here we're gonna click edit type and let's duplicate this. This will be interior wall number 1. Press OK, edit type, and the thickness should be 150, and let's leave it at clad white. Press OK, and then OK. And now, using line, we're gonna add in 1400 by 2200. So this will be our powder room. And then we could add in a door right here. So click on door and let's add in this door. And let's add the door right here on this spot. So press spacebar to change orientation. So we have it like that. And then let's add in a door right here as well for the main entrance. And then let's add this door as well for the carport area. So let's press escape. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert the toilets. So load family. And then let's go to plumbing, architectural, fixtures. And then here, let's add this toilet. After you insert this, go to architecture and click component. And then here you could add it like that. After this, click load family again and go back to fixtures. And then here, let's add in sink. Or a vanity. Maybe let's add this one. After that, add it like that. And we're good. We could just nudge it on the left side a little bit. And the next thing is let's do our kitchen. So like I said, this will be an L kitchen. And we will have an island. And here we're gonna add in our dining. So first, let's go back to insert and load family. Click on here and go back to the starting. And here, let's go and look for casework. And then here we could use countertop. And let's look for the L shape. So let's use this, the one with the sink, and press open. And then after that, go back to architecture again and click component. And then here we'll be able to add this, but we could flip this around. So flip and then press escape. And then now this is flipped on the other side. So here I'm just adding it on the corner. I'm just moving it there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click this one and we could extend this. Here we could extend it, but let's add in the island first before doing this. So let's go back to insert again, load family, and let's look for this. So top island and click open. And then here, this will represent our island. So go back to architecture and click component. This is too big, but we could change this one. So as you can see, press escape and then we could move this like that. This is still too big for the area that we're gonna use it for. So around this, so this is, we're gonna keep on changing this, but I'm gonna give you the dimension. So around 839, and then this one is around 2000, so 2019. But depending on how we create or add more stuff, it might change. So at least you have that. Next, let's insert our dining room or dining area. So we're just gonna insert some tables or furniture. So click insert, load family, go back again, and then here go to furniture, and let's add in some tables, and then after that let's add in the chairs. I like the glass one, so let's use this. Press open, go back to architecture and click component again. Press spacebar and let's add it like that. Press escape and then escape. Go back to insert. We're gonna load in some chairs. So go back to furniture and then let's add in the seating. So let's add in this and then let's look for others. So this one, chair stacking. Okay. So now let's add this sofa. Let's add this stacking. Let's add this chair. And let's add this one. Click open. And then everything will be sent to architecture and then component. So now let's add this one first. This will be the living room. I would like to add one right here, or this big one will be right here, and then the small one will be on the other side. You just need to keep on looking for that. So this one will be right here. We could add, let's add two. And then before we add our coffee table, let's finish adding the chair. So this stacking chair will be the one that represent our chairs right here. So I'm gonna press escape and then I'm just gonna click on copy and then multiple so that it will be all in the same line. And then I'm gonna select everything and nudge it a little bit on the left side. Next, click on component again and this the chair. And then here, let's add one here first, and then on the other side, click that and then escape. Click this back again and click on copy. And then we're gonna add it like that. You can move it around to space it out by using the arrow key on your keyboard, and then select everything and click on mirror draw axis. We're gonna use this as our base, and then we have it all on the other side. Again, press escape and click on this, and then use the draw axis mirror, and let's look for the midpoint of this table, and there you go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna select everything and we're gonna nudge it below by using arrow key again, and we're just moving it a little bit on this side. Okay, now I want to represent the fridge, so I want a sliding door here as well, and then let's add in the fridge right here. But before that, I'm just gonna move it like that. I want to give it some space right here and add in the fridge. But for that, I'm gonna use annotate and detailed line, and I'm gonna use this rectangle. I don't I'm just gonna leave it as thin lines. Let's zoom in and add this profile like that, and then click on this, and we have our fridge. Press escape and then escape again. So for now, let's stop here and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.